Hello and welcome. I'm Rabbi Hassan from Online Money Carrier, and we are going to start a new lesson or new course, which is email marketing. Yes, we are going to start a new course, which is absolutely free course on YouTube, and which is email marketing. And if you are new on my channel, just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification and get updates daily. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start the video. What is email marketing? If you promote something using email, it's called email marketing. Suppose you have an affiliate product or you have your own product, you have a CPA offer you want to promote and you are using email to promote those offers, then it's called email marketing. How to do email marketing? Before explaining it, we have to know how many types or methods we have to do email marketing properly. And if anyone who is experienced in digital marketing and who have many experience in email marketing or digital marketing, so sorry for actually I have some problem, health issue, no problem. So if anyone experienced person or digital marketer, professional digital marketer watching with my video, then he will think that is this guy is mad, this guy is fully mad, or he is newbie and he is just making tutorial to earn from YouTube. But wait, listen to me carefully. I am not a newbie and I am not here to earn from YouTube. I'm here to help people and who watch my video, who are my subscribers, who are my followers. I think that all of my subscribers are my students. They are here to earn from online using doing digital marketing, and I'm here to teach them that how they can earn from online doing digital marketing. And I just teach them all those secret strategies which is very secret and not other YouTuber shared till now. So I am sharing all the secret strategy to give them the key to success in life. So please watch my full video to understand the whole thing. So go to the next slide. There are three types method in my style. Yes, again I am teaching you with my style. So there are three types method in my style, in Rabbi Hassan styles. So first one is general method, and the method is a really general method, and everybody who do email marketing, they use the general method to do email marketing. And the second is direct marketing. Many of email marketer use the method to do marketing. And I just see many entrepreneurs or many many digital marketers, they provide the service to send traffic via email marketing. They also do the direct marketing, and I will explain it later. And the third one is deep method, which is Rabbi Hassan's method, which is my method and my secret method. I just made the secret method after after I just do email marketing with 3 years, and I just made the method, the secret method, the blockchain. I just made the blockchain. The it takes 1.5 years to make it properly, and I'm going to teach you the method in absolutely free. And the fourth method is by email. Okay, now the question of what is by email. uh, to understand the by email method, we have to understand the general method. What is the general method? Many digital marketers have many websites in many niches. Suppose a digital marketer have a website in uh, health niche. He have a health niche. Suppose one person have a health niche website, and there are daily visitor around 100K visitors daily. So 100K people just put already put their email on the subscribe box and subscribe the website to get daily notification from the website's admin. And the admin means the the marketer gets all the mail and promote all those offers on the using the email. And in for in that's the general method. In for number strategy, many digital marketers buy all those emails and they also promote their offer on the mails. So that's the for number method. Okay, what we will learn in the course? Yes, the we will learn the general method, the direct method, the deep method, which is very very personal, secret and effective method, and the method is made by me. And for number, okay, it's not needed if you learn third number method perfectly. If you just learn third number method, the deep method perfectly, then you don't need any other actually other you don't need to learn the other methods. So it's enough if you learn the deep method. But to do based on the deep method, you have to learn all those things. So that's enough for today, and it's the introduction video of email marketing. And if you want to learn email marketing properly, then what you have to do, you have to go to my channel and you have to go to my playlist, and you have to uh, play the email marketing playlist, and you have to learn step by step. If you I just make per day, I do email marketing from the first from the starting of my career, and I just now in 2019 to 2020, I just make 500 per day with email marketing with my deep method, and maximum 500 and minimum 300 or for $315 per day. So if you work hard, and if you uh, implement all the strategies perfectly, then you will also earn the this amount every day. So, and one announcement, one really important announcement, that is, if anyone want to work with me, if anyone need um, if anyone just want money and they want to work with me, then you can connect me via the Skype. The Skype link is in the description. I have a team, or I have a group where we work together, and I just give all the support, all the stuff what you need to start the work, and my group members and I will work together to make money from online. If you want to start work with us, and if you want to uh, if you want to start the income really fast, then you can join us, join our team. And to join our team, to join our group, what you have to do, you have to just knock me at Skype, and then we will talk and how you can join. And again, we the joining cost is $0. You can join absolutely free. So what you have to do to know properly, you have to just knock me at Skype. So okay, no more today. I'm Rabbi Hassan signing off for now. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.